What up, people? This is Bunjo. Today is travel day. We're going to Italy today, Fiumicino Airport. I'm waiting for the 37 bus. Takes you right to Zrachna Luka. That is Split's airport. Then we're taking that, an hour and a half flight to Rome, called Fiumicino. And then we're taking a bus or a train to Rome, the center of Rome, staying in a hotel, then going to Pompeii. So, travel days with This is Bunjo. So we made it to Zrachna Luka, Split Airport, and we're waiting in line, priority line. See that? And here's Mickey and Enzo.
Yes.
And we're ready to go, eh?
Yes, hope everything is okay because they already changed their time for the airplane, so we'll
50
see.
minutes delayed.
Oh,
not a good start. We're going with Wizz Air. That's what you get with Wizz Air.
Yeah,
So we just had to pay 200 and something kunas more, which is not that much, but it's because this guy here is an idiot. 3 centimeters too big, the suitcase, and he charged us for overweight luggage. Can you believe that? It's for the baby too. So I was a little bit pissed at him, but hey, that's life, you know? Now we're heading to the plane. Yes, we got the mask back on. We're boarding the plane now. Woo! We're taking Wizz Air, which was horrendous. Horrendous as hell, I'll tell you that. I'll show you what the plane looks like. It's the purple rocket here. But somebody on the airplane got sick. And this is Split Airport, huh? Look how beautiful it is. Damn, son. There's the plane we're going. Let's go to the rocket. The purple rocket. We're inside the plane and we're ready to go. Takeoff is about to happen. Little land is Wizz Air, baby. Not the most reliable air source, and yes, these are a must. Even though you don't have to wear them in Croatia or Italy, still the plane. So it's like a 50-minute flight. They said we're not going to serve you anything because it's too short of a flight. So we didn't eat or anything. That's it. And we're here. We're already here in Italy. It's like up and then down, and you're here. It's me, Bunjo. We made it to Italia. We're here. We're walking through the plane. We gotta go pick up our cochecito, aka the stroller, and then we will check it out. Check it out. Are you excited?
Very excited.
Oh, stairs! Yay! Hold on, bye. So we made it. Look at the sky. It's beautiful, huh? There's our Wizz Air, and we made it. I don't know if we still have to wear masks, do we? I don't know. Do we? So since there was an hour delay and then another hour almost delay, we made it late, so we kind of wasted a night here. So tonight I think we're just gonna try to catch the train.
Yeah.
And then as this meat wagon fills up, but catch the train to the center of Rome, go up to terminal train station, and then we'll check out the hotel and show you guys the hotel. But this is travel days. So what happened is they lost our cochecito, our buggy, our stroller. So now we gotta carry Enzo around Italy, and we're 2 hours, 3 hours late. It's gonna be midnight by the time we get to the hotel. Good news, after an hour of waiting and looking for the cochecito, we got it. Now we're on our way to the Leonardo, the bus, eh? Or the train, let's go. This way? So you gotta find the T3 terminal for the bus station. And you gotta come here and buy the tickets, the Leonardo Express. And we're going down. Then you gotta go down the escalator and down through the tunnel around here. We'll see here, watch, I'll show you. Show you a little bit here. T3 Express, here we come. Whoa, see? Down there. So here's a travel tip. For anybody bringing a cochecito, when they come on the conveyor belt and you check it in the luggage, make sure you go to the back door and you knock on the door, because they put it behind a back door that nobody ever knows, and that's where they put it. Not on the conveyor belt. They take it off and put it behind the door. So make sure you do that when you come to Rome. Travel tip with This Is Bunjo. Yeah, so we made it on the train here in the airport. Here we are, the Leonardo Express. We'll go check out the train station out here. Let's go. Right here, see? Oh, imagine it closes on me. I hope it doesn't close on me, but here it is. The jazz hands. We got the first class tickets, which don't seem different from the second class, that's for sure. But let's get on this train, and here we go. We're finally here. It's a crazy step, huh? It was a lot to get here, huh?
Yes, it was tricky because in every sign you can see a train station.
Yeah, T3 terminal.
But we did it. We made it.
We made it. That's all that matters.
A lot of people help us. That's why.
Now we made it to Termini bus station, and we're trying to find our hotel here. We don't have the internet because the phone provider in Croatia lied to me, and they said I would with mine. Son of a drummers, you know? Damn. So here it is, Termini bus station. Wow. So we made it here. We're finding our hotel down the street. So far, it's crazy. There's kebabs everywhere. Kebab, kebab, kebab. Pizza kebab. It looked like everything was closed. And they got fried chicken here too, eh? We'll come by and have some fried chicken, some kebabs, who knows? But we're hungry. We're definitely hungry. And here we are walking down the street here. There's a little walk down. At night, Enzo's passed out. See that? Passed out. Binario. Yeah, it's beautiful here. Look at this. It's crazy here so far. It's actually, it's shocking me a bit. I didn't think it'd be like this. I don't know what I thought it'd be like. But I was always against coming to Italy because I live in Croatia, because I always thought it'd be the same. But this kind of is blowing my mind here. It's nice. I like this. I like this. I can get used to this place. So we're in the astonishing 8.6 rating on booking.com, the Miller Rose Hotel. This is our bathroom. That's our bed. This is our bathroom. It has a bidet. But do you see a toilet anywhere? What do you do with this? Where's the shower? Where's the toilet? You can wash your ass, but you can't wash your body. I don't get it. What the hell is this? What do you think of this? You got two beds. They could have stopped the bed and put the damn shower. I don't know what we're doing here. This is crazy. This is crazy. This has to be... Hey, it's okay. Let's see the view. Maybe the view's good. Oh, we got a balcony. Let's check this out, eh? Can we open this? Oh, yes. Look at this. Now this. I know you can't see, but at least we got a view, I guess. Damn. Let's go get something to eat. This is our elevator hotel. It's very tiny, eh? There's not enough room.
I mean, we are fat, but
this is tiny.
it's tiny.
Yeah, it's crazy.
And it's very slow.
It's
and
crazy.
It smells like weed.
No, it smells like sausages, not weed.
It's weird.
And it's not weed.
Yes.
She doesn't know. She doesn't even know what weed is. So how could she tell me it's weed?
Baby.
This is the Bunjo Show. This is not your show. I traded the 905 for G-O-O-O. This is Bunjo Show.